Introduction to Miro and Remote Collaboration.
Miro is a virtual whiteboard platform designed to help remote teams brainstorm, plan, and work together seamlessly, no matter where they are. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a Miro workspace, invite team members, and use key features to boost collaboration and creativity for your remote projects.
Setting up your Miro workspace.
To get started, sign up for a free Miro account and create your first workspace. You can organize boards by project or team. Add relevant details like project names and descriptions to keep everything structured. Customize the workspace to suit your team's needs, making it easy for everyone to find and access essential boards.
Inviting team members and permission settings.
Invite colleagues by entering their email addresses and assigning appropriate access levels, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Carefully manage permissions to ensure privacy and security. You can also create team spaces or share individual boards, so each team member has access to what's most relevant for their role.
Using Miro's collaboration tools.
Miro offers powerful features like sticky notes, drawing tools, voting, and real-time commenting. Use templates for brainstorming sessions, mind maps, or flowcharts. Multiple users can work on the same board at once, with changes appearing instantly. Leverage timers and voting to facilitate meetings and decision-making with your remote team.
Tips for efficient remote collaboration.
Establish clear guidelines on how your team will use Miro, such as commenting etiquette and board organization. Schedule regular check-ins or virtual workshops using Miro boards as your meeting space. Encourage all members to participate, contribute ideas, and keep boards updated to ensure smooth communication and project tracking.
Integrations and next steps.
Miro integrates with popular tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and Zoom, making it easier to fit into your team's workflow. Explore additional features, such as exporting boards or using advanced templates to enhance collaboration. Keep experimenting and refining your process to maximize the benefits of Miro for your remote team.